Okay, this example is going to have 4 zeros. Now, of course, you see that you've got -1 that's repeated, but you still just do a separate factor using each one of these. All right, so remember your factor is going to be x minus your number. So if I do x minus -1, then that's going to give me x plus 1. And then I would have another one. And then I would have x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now, in multiplying out 4 of them, what you can do is just take them 2 at a time. So like start by, say, foiling the first 2, and then foil the last 2, and then we'll end up multiplying those results. So when I foil the first 2, I'm going to have x squared plus x plus x plus 1. And then when I foil the last 2, I'll have x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Now let's do the simplifying that we can inside each one of the parentheses here. So I would have x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then combining like terms here, x squared minus 5x plus 6. All right, so now, as I said, we've got to take these two and multiply these two out. Technically, this is not full because it's not just 2 terms times 2 terms, but you do it in a similar process. You've got to take your x squared and multiply it times all 3 terms, and then the 2x times all 3 terms, and then the 1 times all 3 terms. Okay? So x squared times x squared times -5x, and x squared times 6. Okay, now take the 2x. So 2x times x squared, 2x times -5x, and 2x times 6. Okay, let me scoot it over. So now I've got to take the 1. So 1 times x squared, 1 times -5x, and 1 times 6. Okay, now at this point it's just a matter of combining like terms. So I only have just the 1 term that's a 4th power. Now third powers, combine these together and you'd have a -3x cubed. All right, your squares, so 6 minus 10 is -4, and -4 plus 1 is going to give me -3. And then my first powers, this would be 12x minus 5x, so that's a +7x. And then finally my constants, of course the only constant that I have is the +6. So this would be my polynomial.